Okay, I love this scripture. I love it in specifically the Passion Translation. We are going over to Romans chapter 8, verse 19 and 21. It says the entire universe is standing on tiptoe, yearning to see the unveiling of God's glorious sons and daughters. Verse 20, for against its will, the universe itself has had to endure the empty futility resulting from the consequences of human sin. But now, with eager expectation, verse 21, all creation longs for freedom from its slavery to decay and to experience with us the wonderful freedom coming to God's children.